In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Trello list ID. This is a straightforward process that will guide you step by step to retrieve the unique identifier for your Trello list, which can be useful for various applications and integrations. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Trello account by visiting Trello.com. Make sure you have your credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your boards. Once you're logged in, locate the specific Trello board that contains the list for which you want to find the ID. This involves navigating through your dashboard to find the correct board among your collection. Click on it to open the board and you'll see all your lists laid out in columns. Now let's move on to a bit of URL manipulation. Take a look at your browser's address bar. It should display the URL of your currently selected Trello board. To access the full JSON data of your board, simply add JSON to the end of this URL. For example, if your board's URL is https:/trello.com BAABCD1234 myboard, you would modify it to be https:/trello.com BABCD1234 myboard.json. Press enter on your keyboard to load this new page. This action will display a long string of text formatted in JSON. Essentially, what you're seeing is a comprehensive dump of your board's data, which includes all sorts of information ranging from list names to card descriptions. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we only need a small part of this data. To streamline your search, use your keyboard to press Ctrl+F, which will open a search box. In this box, type id list. This is the key that points to the unique identifier for your Trello list. Once you type id list and hit enter, your browser will highlight all instances of this term within the JSON data. Carefully look for the value that follows the id list key. It's typically a string of characters enclosed in quotation marks. This value is your Trello board list ID. To finish things off, all that's left is to copy this ID. Highlight the string of characters right after id list, including everything within the quotation marks. Use Ctrl+C to copy it to your clipboard. And there you have it, you've successfully located and copied your Trello list ID. Now you can use this ID wherever required in your workflow or integrations. Make sure to keep this information secure, as it can be quite powerful when interacting with third-party applications and services. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.